Hi, my name is Don Oshman, Editor-in-Chief and Publisher of HydeNet Publications, and welcome to the Sunday, April 14th Week in Review. Our European market report this week talked about COTANCE, C-O-T-A-N-C-E. I'm not quite sure what it means, but it's the Association of European Tanners, who petitioned the government in Brussels to work some way to ban or penalize or incentivize producers of hides not to export so that there's enough hides for the tanners in Europe. If something will ever come to this, I don't know, but it was discussed and investigated a little bit in our European report. Meanwhile, in Europe, the market remains very strong. Suppliers are very well forward sold, and prices keep edging high. Veal skins, out of sight. Every week or every day, they go up and up and up because of very good demand and small supply. In the U.S. this week, steers went up about $1. The U.S. steers went up about $1. The cow market was basically steady. That's for plump cows, branded cows, and dairy cows. But wet blue heavy native steers advanced as well, along with their wet salted brethren. And we heard of a sale between $1.29 and $1.30 CNF on wet blue heavy native steers. In our Latin American report this week, there is the market basically is between $1.60 and $1.65 CFR for TR1 wet blue. We heard of sales a little bit above that. In Italy this week, there were sales around $1.60, $1.62. But the big news coming out of Brazil this week is that the raw material market has come up. Fresh hides have come up, putting tanners into a very difficult position because the wet salted or wet fresh hides market is fluctuating, and they're not sure how to calculate what to sell, when to sell it, what price to sell their wet blue productions and their crust. Also in Latin America this week, there are strong rumors that Argentine raw fresh hides and wet salted hides have advanced. We'll have confirmation of that in our next report. In This Week in Leather, we talked about tanner pollution in China and other reports too. The Chinese government, the CLIA, is cracking down, as they said they would in our press conference in Hong Kong last month, on tanners who do not comply with the pollution requirements. And this is witnessed by what's going on in Beijing, where they have tremendous pollution problems now for everybody. But the government is cracking down, and if the tannery in China doesn't comply with the pollution equipment, that could be all kinds of various pollution controls. That could be a lot of different things. The government will shut them down. So that's affecting the Chinese tanning industry, especially the smaller tanners who can't afford the pollution abatement material. That does it for this week. Read our reports, go to our website, www.hydenet.com, and see how HydeNet is your companion in profit making. Thanks for watching.